Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning everybody. Myself is Manjushree Rajput. I hope all you are fit and fine. Today I am going to teach you 11th standard statistics. There are 4 chapters. Chapter 1, collection of data. Second is presentation of data. Third is measures of central tendency. Fourth is measures of dispersion. Now this question arises in your mind. Why we studying statistics in our subject? Why it is required? Why do we have knowledge of statistics in our as a subject in our 11th standard? Okay. Students will live in the era of information data, knowledge, communication. We get all information, lots of information through various sources from newspaper, news channels, internet and various sources. We get all information immediately through various sources at our doorstep. Now, statistics, basic form of statistics have been used since from the beginning of civilization. Basic forms of statistics have been used since from the beginning of civilization. Application of statistics was very limited. Statistics application was very limited at that time, but kings needed information about their states regarding lands, agriculture, population, military potential, wealth and taxes, and other aspects of government. Then, from the time of Maurya Empire, Chandragupta Maurya, their chief minister was Chanakya. They wrote in the book of Arthashastra about birth rate and death rate. Then, during the time of Mughal Empire, Akbar in 1596 to 1597 AD, they used information about administrative service and revenue service in the book of Ain-e-Akbari written by Abul Fazl. At the time of Mughal Empire, Akbar, at the time of 1596 to 1597 AD, in the book of Ain-e-Akbari written by Abul Fazl, they have given significant information about administrative service and revenue service information in that book. Now, after that, the German scholar Gottfried Eichenwald used the word statistics for the first time in 1749. Gottfried Eichenwald first used the word statistics for the first time in 1749. Then after, statistics was introduced in Encyclopedia Britannica in 1797. After that, statistics was introduced in the books of Encyclopedia of Britannica in 1797. Then, the scientific approach of probability theory was initiated by mathematician Laplace in 1749 to 1827. There was 1772 to 1855. They given probability initial theory at this time. Now, in 19th century, Carl Pearson started branch of mathematical statistics. Carl Pearson, also known as the father of statistics, but here we give more importance. Mr. Fisher is father of statistics. Now, Gelder and Carl Pearson used mathematical statistics in the field of science, industry, or politics. Then, during 1910 to 1920, Gusset and father of our statistics, Fisher, developed modern statistical science. In statistical, they applied modern statistical science in the field of such as genetics, biometry, psychology, education, and agriculture. Then, during 1932, role of Egon E. Pearson and J. Lehman had significant role in the development of statistics. After that, advanced principle of statistics had developed day by day. Now, origin of statistics in our India. In 1931, Professor Mahalok Bish started or established the first Indian Statistical Institute at Calcutta, known as ISI. In 1931, Professor P.C. Mahalanobis established first Indian Statistical Institute at Calcutta. Then, in 1941, P.C. Mahalanobis started first postgraduate course in statistics at Calcutta. Then, in 1950, National Sample Survey established and they work. Nowadays, it is known as NSSO, and they are working regarding socio-economic data. Then, 1953, using operational research science, they applied this theory in second 5 years plans model. And thereafter, Indian agricultural statistical research contributed a lot in development of statistics. Now it is known as IASRI, Indian Agricultural Statistical Research Institute. Now, students, today we have completed origin and history of statistics. Thank you.